Imagine a world just 4.2 light-years away, orbiting the nearest star to our solar system, a world that could hold the key to one of humanity's greatest mysteries. Are we truly alone in the universe? This is Proxima b, an exoplanet that has both fascinated and baffled scientists ever since its discovery. At first glance, it seems like a mirror to Earth, similar in size, potentially habitable, and close enough to study in remarkable detail. But what astronomers have recently uncovered has left the scientific world speechless. The James Webb Space Telescope has detected strange light emissions coming from the planet's dark side. Signals that don't behave like anything natural. Could these mysterious glows be signs of advanced alien technology? Or is this planet sending us a cosmic warning about dangers we're yet to comprehend? Proxima b orbits Proxima Centauri, a faint red dwarf star, the closest star to our Sun. It sits perfectly within the habitable zone, the region where liquid water could, in theory, exist. That simple fact alone makes Proxima b one of the most thrilling exoplanets ever found. But don't be fooled, this is no peaceful second Earth. Proxima b completes a full orbit in just 11 Earth days, which means it's incredibly close to its star. The proximity makes it endure intense radiation and constant exposure to stellar flares that could strip its atmosphere in an instant. Here's where things get truly bizarre. Proxima b is what scientists call tidally locked. One side is forever bathed in sunlight, while the other is locked in eternal darkness. On the day side, the surface could be scorched by unending radiation, while the night side freezes into a dark wasteland of ice and shadows. But between these two extremes lies a fragile, narrow band known as the Terminator Zone, the twilight edge where day meets night. Scientists believe that if life exists on Proxima b, this is where it might thrive. A place of balance, neither too hot nor too cold, where liquid water could flow. But even here, violent winds howling between the hot and frozen sides could make survival extremely difficult. Proxima Centauri is no calm star. Despite being small and dim compared to our Sun, it's shockingly violent. It frequently releases powerful solar flares, bursts of radiation so intense they could vaporize atmospheres or sterilize entire surfaces. These flares occur randomly, some hundreds of times stronger than any solar storm Earth has ever faced. If Proxima b once had a protective atmosphere, these repeated blasts may have stripped much of it away. Yet, if the planet has a strong magnetic field, like Earth's, it could still shield itself, preserving a pocket of habitability. That's the mystery, we simply don't know. But if a molten iron core churns beneath Proxima b's surface, it might just generate the protection life needs. Despite the odds, scientists haven't given up on this world. The more we learn, the more Proxima b seems to challenge our definition of habitable. What if life there doesn't need sunlight as we do? What if it thrives underground, deep beneath the frozen crust, shielded from radiation? Microbial life could survive using geothermal heat or chemical reactions, just like organisms found near deep-sea vents on Earth. And then, the discovery that changed everything. Astronomers recently detected anomalous light emissions coming from the dark side of Proxima b. This side should be completely dead, no sunlight, no heat, no energy source. Yet, something is glowing. At first, researchers thought it might be volcanic activity or auroras, perhaps energy from the planet's magnetic field. But the patterns of these emissions don't match any known natural process. They're rhythmic, deliberate, as if they were made intentionally. Could these lights be signals? Beacons? Or something far stranger, evidence of a civilization capable of harnessing energy even in eternal darkness? The idea sounds like science fiction, but scientists are not ruling it out. After all, if intelligent life evolved under such extreme conditions, its technology and biology could be far beyond anything we can imagine. If these lights are artificial, they might represent a civilization using massive energy sources, perhaps fusion reactors, city-like heat emissions, or even attempts to communicate through light-based signals. Think about it, an intelligent species, born under a dim red star, adapting to its deadly flares, surviving in eternal twilight, and sending out light into the void. Could it be their way of saying, "We're here"? Or could it be a distress call, a message from a world that didn't survive its own star's fury? Thanks to telescopes like James Webb and upcoming observatories such as the Extremely Large Telescope, we're finally able to study exoplanets like Proxima b in unprecedented detail. With every new data stream, we move one step closer to the truth. But the deeper we look, the more questions arise. Is Proxima b a barren wasteland? Or could it secretly harbor oceans, underground biospheres, or civilizations adapted to the darkness? Each observation blurs the line between science and mystery, between what we know and what we can only imagine. Proxima b challenges us to rethink everything we believe about life, survival, and the universe itself. It's close enough to touch with our imagination, yet distant enough to remind us how small we truly are. If the strange lights truly are a message, what are they trying to say? And when we finally decode it, will we discover neighbors, or ghosts of a world that couldn't escape its dying star? Until then, the mystery of Proxima b continues, flickering faintly in the darkness, whispering secrets across the stars. Every light in the sky tells a story. But some, like Proxima b, might just be trying to tell ours. Kindly support us by like, share and subscribe our channel for further more update about space.